Hey guys, today we're going to install septic tank riser. I bought the septic tank riser from Amazon Aerostream, and first you have to install the base flange, then the riser. Okay, should I install already? Make sure you clean the Eden. So for setup, just put in the weight of this one. Yeah, for setup, we put a weight on the top of this one, and on the side, we put some concrete later on, then fill it. So, did a concrete on the base, so it's secured. I didn't put the nails on because the tank strength, I don't want to drill it on the tank, so I just put one sack of concrete and secure the base. That's good enough. Now I have to put a sand on it. They can show here. Let's show that bit. Don't show me. Take a video. Then I can put the video first.
You can't see what's not working. Can I drive? Excuse me. So I want the camera to see. I want to.
Okay. Eva, come.
It's right here.
That's it. Take a picture. This is the final setup.